Have you ever wondered how you can hear your friend's voice calling you from across the playground? It's all thanks to a fascinating principle called sound waves. Let's dive into this invisible world of sound. Imagine dropping a pebble in a still pond. What happens? Ripples spread out across the water. Sound behaves quite like those ripples, except instead of water, the ripples travel through air. Once upon a time, scientists were puzzled by sound. They knew we could hear it, but what was it exactly? Then, the great scientist Robert Boyle found a clue. He demonstrated that sound needs a medium to travel through, like air or water. So, how does sound work? Picture air as a giant crowd of tiny, jolly dancers, each holding hands. When you speak, you give a little push to the ones closest to your mouth. Those dancers bump into the next ones, who then bump into their neighbors, and on it goes. These bumps travel through the air like a wave, carrying your voice all the way to your friend's ears. It's a dance party of sound waves. But here's a fun twist. Sound travels at different speeds in different materials. It's faster in water than in air, and even faster in solid materials like metal. That's why sometimes you hear an approaching train on the tracks before you see it. Although we can't see sound, we can measure it. Sound waves have different frequencies, like music notes. High-pitched sounds have fast, tiny waves, while low-pitched sounds have slower, bigger waves. This is how animals like bats and dolphins use sound waves, called echolocation, to find their way around. In this way, sound waves are fantastic, making things like music, talking on the phone, and even listening to your teacher possible. Next time you hear a sound, think about the amazing journey it took to get to you. Sound waves are truly one of science's little wonders.